everyone! If you're having trouble with your Instagram story showing up as a black screen, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this issue in just a few simple steps. A quick fix for many app glitches is to first close and reopen Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom and remove Instagram from your recent apps. After that, reopen the app and try posting your story again. Sometimes, corrupted cache files can cause this black screen issue. To clear the cache, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, find Instagram, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This will reset temporary data, but don't worry, it won't delete your account or saved posts. If the black screen issue persists, it might be caused by a bug. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store and checking for any updates for any available updates. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to the home screen, press and hold the Instagram app, then tap Uninstall. After that, reinstall the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the black screen issue and start posting your Instagram stories without a problem. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!